to make sure everything's correct.
Yep.
So this is an example of importing into UPS to do the labels via batch.
Yes. So once you have your spreadsheet open,
Do you want to see where I am?
no,
Okay.
I can see. I'm
Okay.
good. You'll want to probably make sure first that they're in the order that you want them output in. So if you want all the Yetis, in this case, if you want them all output first, you'll want to grab that column and sort by that. I don't know if that matters in this case.
I think it does, only because AirPods is going to be one weight, Patagonias are going to be another weight, and then Yetis are going to be another.
Yeah.
So to do that, if I'm thinking correctly, the first thing we'll want to do is sort it by alpha here, correct? To get these up top.
And I actually would move, so instead of having Yeti in its own column and having Patagonia men's in one and Patagonia women's in another and Apple, I would move that all to one column. So that way you're just sorting one. Because if you click to sort by each individual column, Apple, AirPods, Patagonia, it's not going to sort it the way that you actually want it to sort, if that makes sense. Because it's going to, even though this is in one spreadsheet, it's going to treat it as 4 separate lists.
Okay, Sam, do you know how to move these to here?
I will try.
Well, yep, so you have to actually select each cell and then copy paste. There's not an easy way to do it.
Can you
So
just
maybe in future-
highlight all this, copy, and then paste it over here?
Yeah, so
Okay.
maybe Marie in future for anniversary,
Yep.
instead of having it be a separate, it's a drop down, because then they can only still pick one.
Got it?
But everything will need to be moved over.
Yes, yeah,
Correct.
yeah. So that's not that's gathering the information that needs to be updated.
Am I doing this part right about
Yeah.
copying?
Yes. Now, and that's fine for the first one, go ahead and paste. But if you do that in the next one, and you just like copy all those, and then you go over and paste,
It's gonna overwrite.
It's gonna override that one.
So I can delete these though.
Yeah, you can get rid of those now.
So would it have been better to copy this first, paste it over, and then put that on top?
Sure. And that's, I mean, that's user preference.
Okay. So what will happen is
Yeah,
that will go
that'll-
away.
That'll disappear.
So I can do them one at a time.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, again, I would
Good
just
to know all
let
of
Marie,
this. Yep. Good to know all
because
of
this
this.
is going to be a regular thing
Every year.
yearly.
Yep.
Yeah, so if she does it now, then we don't have to worry about that issue in the future.
So it would be a drop down. Got it.
Great. Yep, we can get rid of that. And now you can, and I would just maybe go up to where the very top row, that's your sorting field. I would change the very top one from Yeti to just gift, because otherwise it's going to sort that as part of your sorting, if that makes sense.
Yep.
Okay, so then some other things to check as you're looking through the list.
Hold that thought.